Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're checking out what the Alcudia Nightlife has to offer. If you're new to the channel, we share travel vlogs, hotel reviews from around Spain, Ireland and the UK every week. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. That pushes this video out to other people considering visiting Alcudia and Mallorca. We're starting the video actually just at the entrance to Bellevue Club Resort, so you'll find lots of bars, restaurants and supermarkets if you're staying in this area. Thank you to recent subscribers who have joined the Walk With Me community. We really appreciate your support. One of the first restaurants we come up to is Champions. Lots of options here for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Just to give you an idea of pricing, half roast chicken, chips and salad here you're looking at paying €15. For Mallorca that's actually pretty good. Let's keep walking. We'll also post a video showing what you can expect to pay in other restaurants in Alcudia and Camp Picafort, so keep a lookout for that and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. It's free and that will ensure our videos stay on your YouTube timeline. It is quite dark in this area, but it's perfectly safe. Just to the left I can see Shine Bar, a great family bar that hosts an evening quiz daily, bingo and karaoke. Their cocktails are amazing too. We had a couple of evening meals in there as well as breakfast and we had no complaints. Moving along, you've got more wee supermarkets and holiday souvenir shops and no frills excursions. So if you want to do a boat trip around the many caves around Mallorca or morning dolphin spotting, you can book there. Actually, No Frills Excursions have a couple of outlets here in Alcudia and Camp Picafort.
Joshy.
Just coming up to Pizza Angelico and I can see there's already a queue forming at Julio's Crepes.
Good.
All-Star Bar to my left, that's had a full refurbishment over the winter. It's now owned by Sarah Restaurant on the other side of the river. You might be able to hear the hum of chatter as we cross the bridge, and I can see the Club Med Resort lit up in the distance there as well. At the start of the video, you might have seen it's actually just after 10 PM and it's 25 degrees.
Надо выбрать, но там еще стройка. У тебя 2 недели дома.
Tenho aqui junto, tenho.
Oh, and Keela, there's another Chinese there.
Across the road on the right, I can see the Libra Chinese buffet and restaurant, as well as the Hotel THB Bamboo. It's newly refurbished last year and the pool area looks amazing. Next door you've got Ola's Tapas Restaurant and the Alcudia Hotel. A really good all-inclusive right on the strip here in Alcudia. And it does look as though the hotel is fully booked for this summer. Let me know in the comments if you are visiting Alcudia or Mallorca this summer and share your recommendations for hotels. As you can see, Hotel Astoria Playas balconies are lit up. They're currently green at the minute, but they do change every so often and it's a wee bit of a light display. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and press the subscribe button and leave a comment. Tell me what you thought of the nightlife in Alcudia. See you on the next one.
Say that.
Moro vroeger aan elkaar.